Hello and welcome to Parent Sphere. As promised in my previous video, today I am going to be speaking about indoor activities that you can do with your toddlers to keep them away from the phones and watching too much TV. There are various activities that you can do with your child at home. Today I have shortlisted a few of them. So let's get straight into it. You can do messy play with your children. Children love to do messy play. It keeps them engaged and involved for a long period of time, helping to develop their attention span amongst various other skills as well. So you could use simple things like shaving foam. Squirt some shaving foam on a tabletop or on a mat. Your child could run cars through the foam, creating tracks. You could hide some small toys in the foam like Lego bricks or small people. And while your children finds these toys in the foam, you could name the objects. This will help to develop their communication skills. So you could also do sand play with your children. So with sand play, you can use containers of various different sizes. Your child can scoop the sand in the containers. You could also use a colander. So children love to see the flow of the sand from the colander. Again, it's very tactile and this keeps them involved and engaged for a much longer period of time while they are filling and emptying the containers. It also helps to develop their fine motor skills. Similar to sand play, you could do water play. Another activity you could do with messy play is using dry rice. So add some food color to the dry rice and your children can run their hands through the rice. You could make simple shapes and ask them to stick the colored rice in the shapes. Again, this helps them to stay engaged and in the activity for a longer period of time. And it's very sensory. So the children love to do messy play activities. So moving on from messy play, you could also engage your children in imaginary play where you can create various different scenarios using teddy bears, dolls, soft toys. You could create scenarios like going to the farm, or you could going for a picnic, or you could do going to school. Children are soon going to be starting school, so that would prepare them to be going to school. You could also do activities like role play. You can use things that you find around the house like bags, sunglasses, hats. So today you could say, okay, today our child can be, today I'm a fireman, today I'm a doctor, today I'm a teacher, today I'm a singer. Whatever it is that they fancy, so they can be that character for the day. So going further, you could also do activities like, for example, today is Red Day. So the child can wear a red t-shirt, parent can wear a red t-shirt, they could eat from a red plate, drink from a red cup. You could make tomato soup that is red in color. For snack time, they could have a red apple. You could ask them, okay, go and find me two things that are red in color from the next room. Again, this keeps them engaged, keeps them involved. It's fun, it's exciting, for children to be, it's so much fun. Hey, today's Red Day. So again, they're learning so many things. They're learning the color, they're learning speech, they're learning names of various different objects. So that again develops your communication skills as well. And they're excited, they're curious. Okay, what day is today? Today, yesterday was red day, today is blue day. So again, then everything that they are using is blue in color. You could play games like I Spy. I spy something that's blue and is round. What is it? Okay, it's a blue ball. You know, so that will keep them excited, keep them interested. So it's very important for them to be having fun while they're engaging in these activities. And last but not the least, involve them in your daily routine. So many of you are working from home, so you could say, okay, mommy or daddy is working in the office now, so I also want you to work in the office. So you could give them a notepad, give them pens or crayons or pencils, and say, okay, you make your notes while I make my notes. So they are close to you and they are bonding with you at the same time. They're involved and they're away from the gadgets. So you can involve them in so many different activities. All you need to do is be organized, plan what is the activity I'm going to do for the day. And also, at various times they could be doing free play, or sometimes it's okay for them to be bored as well. Yeah, so when they are bored, they are developing their problem solving skills, where they are thinking, okay, I'm bored, what can I do? They will find something to do. So it helps to develop their problem solving skills, helps them to be creative and imaginative as well. Yeah, so make sure to try these activities out with your children, and please share your experiences in the comments. I would really love to hear from you. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks for watching.